Welcome to Genetic Health. In today's video, we're diving into an essential topic, 23 signs your body needs more nutrients. How to address the deficiencies. Have you ever wondered why you're feeling constantly tired, experiencing brittle hair and nails, or struggling with mood swings? These could be signs that your body is craving vital nutrients. Join us as we explore the telltale signs of nutrient deficiencies and, more importantly, how you can address them to boost your overall health and well-being. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health insights. 1. Fatigue. Constant fatigue, despite sufficient rest, may signal deficiencies in vital nutrients such as iron or vitamin B12. These nutrients play crucial roles in energy metabolism, with iron aiding oxygen transport and B12 supporting red blood cell formation. Without them, fatigue can persist as the body struggles to produce adequate energy. Addressing these deficiencies through dietary adjustments or supplementation may alleviate fatigue and improve overall energy levels. 2. Brittle hair and nails. Weak, brittle hair and nails often indicate a lack of essential nutrients like biotin, vitamin C, or omega-3 fatty acids. Biotin is crucial for maintaining healthy hair and nails, while vitamin C supports collagen production, necessary for their strength and resilience. Omega-3 fatty acids contribute to overall hair and nail health by promoting hydration and reducing inflammation. Ensuring sufficient intake of these nutrients through a balanced diet or supplementation can help improve the condition of hair and nails, restoring their strength and vitality. 3. Poor wound healing. Slow wound healing or frequent infections may point to deficiencies in key nutrients like vitamin C, zinc, or protein. Vitamin C plays a critical role in collagen synthesis, vital for wound repair and immune function. Zinc is essential for proper immune response and cell proliferation, crucial for healing. Protein provides the building blocks for tissue repair and regeneration. Addressing these deficiencies through dietary adjustments or supplementation can help enhance the body's ability to heal wounds efficiently and fight off infections effectively. 4. Muscle weakness. Muscle weakness or cramps may indicate low levels of vital minerals like magnesium, potassium, or calcium. Magnesium is essential for muscle contraction and relaxation, while potassium helps regulate muscle function and nerve signals. Calcium plays a key role in muscle contraction and overall muscle health. Deficiencies in these minerals can disrupt normal muscle function, leading to weakness or cramping. Ensuring adequate intake of magnesium, potassium, and calcium through diet or supplementation can help alleviate muscle symptoms and support optimal muscle function. 5. Cognitive issues. Difficulty concentrating, memory problems, or brain fog may stem from insufficient intake of crucial nutrients like vitamins B6, B12, or omega-3 fatty acids. Vitamin B6 and B12 are essential for neurotransmitter synthesis and cognitive function, while omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA, support brain structure and function. Inadequate levels of these nutrients can impair neurotransmitter production and synaptic function, leading to cognitive issues. Increasing intake of foods rich in vitamins B6, B12, and omega-3 fatty acids, or considering supplementation may help improve cognitive function and alleviate symptoms of brain fog or memory problems. 6. Mood swings. Unexplained mood swings, irritability, or depression could be tied to deficiencies in vital nutrients like vitamin D, magnesium, or folate. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in mood regulation and serotonin production, while magnesium is essential for neurotransmitter function and stress management. Folate is involved in neurotransmitter synthesis, including serotonin, which impacts mood. Insufficient levels of these nutrients can disrupt neurotransmitter balance, contributing to mood disturbances. Addressing deficiencies through dietary changes or supplementation may help stabilize mood and alleviate symptoms of irritability or depression. 7. Dry skin. Dry, flaky skin may signal deficiencies in essential nutrients like fatty acids, vitamin E, or vitamin A, essential fatty acids, particularly omega-3 and omega-6, play a crucial role in maintaining skin hydration and integrity. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that protects skin cells from damage and helps maintain moisture. Vitamin A supports skin cell turnover and regeneration. Inadequate levels of these nutrients can lead to dryness, flakiness, and a compromised skin barrier. Increasing intake of foods rich in fatty acids, vitamin E, and vitamin A, or considering supplementation may help improve skin hydration and overall skin health. 8. Digestive problems. Digestive issues such as bloating, constipation, or diarrhea could indicate a deficiency in essential components like fiber, probiotics, or digestive enzymes. Fiber promotes regular bowel movements and supports digestive health by adding bulk to stool. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that aid in digestion and maintain gut health. Digestive enzymes help break down food, aiding in nutrient absorption. Insufficient intake of these components can disrupt digestion, leading to various gastrointestinal symptoms. Increasing fiber-rich foods, incorporating probiotics into the diet, or considering digestive enzyme supplements may help alleviate digestive problems and support gut health. 9. Hair loss. Excessive hair shedding or thinning may stem from deficiencies in essential nutrients such as iron, zinc, biotin, or protein. Iron is crucial for oxygen transport to hair follicles, while zinc aids in hair tissue growth and repair. Biotin supports keratin production, essential for strong, healthy hair strands. Protein provides the building blocks for hair growth and repair. Inadequate levels of these nutrients can disrupt the hair growth cycle, leading to hair loss. Addressing deficiencies through dietary adjustments or supplementation may help promote hair health and reduce excessive shedding or thinning. 10. Weak bones. Brittle bones or frequent fractures may signify inadequate intake of critical nutrients like calcium, vitamin D, or vitamin K. Calcium is essential for bone structure and strength, while vitamin D facilitates calcium absorption and bone mineralization. Vitamin K is necessary for bone formation and remodeling, aiding in the synthesis of bone proteins. Insufficient levels of these nutrients can weaken bones, increasing the risk of fractures and osteoporosis. Ensuring adequate intake of calcium, vitamin D, and vitamin K through diet or supplementation can help maintain bone health and reduce the risk of fractures. 11. Anemia. Anemia, characterized by fatigue, weakness, and pale skin, often indicates iron deficiency. Iron is vital for producing hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen throughout the body. Without enough iron, the body can't produce sufficient red blood cells, leading to oxygen deprivation and anemia symptoms. Ensuring adequate iron intake through diet or supplementation is crucial for preventing and treating iron deficiency anemia, restoring energy levels, and improving overall well-being. 12. Cracked lips. Cracks in the corners of the mouth, known as angular cheilitis, may indicate deficiencies in vital nutrients like iron, zinc, or B vitamins. Iron deficiency can lead to anemia, causing tissue dryness and cracking. Zinc plays a role in skin health and wound healing, while B vitamins support skin integrity. Insufficient levels of these nutrients can impair skin barrier function, leading to cracks and discomfort. Increasing intake of iron-rich foods, zinc-containing foods, and B vitamin-rich foods, or considering supplementation may help alleviate angular cheilitis and promote healthy skin. 13. Reduced immunity. Frequent colds, infections, or slow recovery from illnesses may signify a weakened immune system linked to nutrient deficiencies. Key nutrients like vitamin C, zinc, and vitamin D play crucial roles in immune function. Vitamin C supports immune cell function and acts as an antioxidant, while zinc is essential for immune cell development and function. Vitamin D regulates immune responses and enhances pathogen-fighting capabilities. Insufficient levels of these nutrients can compromise immune function, making the body more susceptible to infections. Addressing nutrient deficiencies through diet or supplementation may help strengthen the immune system and improve overall health. 14. Joint pain. Joint pain or stiffness may stem from inadequate intake of crucial nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, or glucosamine. Omega-3s possess anti-inflammatory properties, which can help alleviate joint inflammation and pain. Vitamin D supports bone health and may reduce the risk of joint disorders like osteoarthritis. Glucosamine is a building block for cartilage, the tissue that cushions joints, and may help alleviate joint pain and improve mobility. Insufficient levels of these nutrients can contribute to joint discomfort and decreased mobility. Increasing intake of omega-3 rich foods, vitamin D fortified foods, or considering glucosamine supplementation may help alleviate joint pain and support joint health. 15. Dental issues. Gum disease, tooth decay, or mouth ulcers may be linked to deficiencies in vital nutrients, such as vitamin C, calcium, or vitamin D. Vitamin C supports gum health and collagen synthesis, essential for maintaining the integrity of gum tissue. Calcium is crucial for strong teeth and bones, while vitamin D aids in calcium absorption and supports oral health. Insufficient levels of these nutrients can weaken gums, teeth, and oral tissues, increasing the risk of dental issues. Ensuring adequate intake of vitamin C, calcium, and vitamin D through diet or supplementation may help prevent dental problems and promote oral health. 16. Restless legs syndrome. Restlessness or discomfort in the legs, especially at night, could stem from low levels of vital minerals like iron, magnesium, or potassium. Iron deficiency can disrupt dopamine signaling in the brain, contributing to restless legs syndrome (RLS) symptoms. Magnesium plays a role in muscle relaxation, and potassium helps regulate nerve signals and muscle function. Insufficient levels of these minerals can lead to muscle spasms and discomfort, exacerbating RLS symptoms. Ensuring adequate intake of iron, magnesium, and potassium through diet or supplementation may help alleviate RLS symptoms and improve sleep quality. 17. Poor vision. Vision problems or night blindness may signal inadequate intake of essential nutrients like vitamin A, lutein, or zeaxanthin. Vitamin A is crucial for maintaining the health of the retina and supporting low light vision. Lutein and zeaxanthin are antioxidants that protect the eyes from harmful light and oxidative damage, promoting healthy vision. Insufficient levels of these nutrients can impair visual function and increase the risk of vision disorders. Incorporating vitamin A-rich foods like carrots, leafy greens for lutein, and zeaxanthin-containing foods like corn or eggs into the diet or considering supplementation may help support optimal vision health and reduce the risk of vision problems. 18. Slow metabolism. Difficulty losing weight or experiencing a sluggish metabolism could result from deficiencies in essential nutrients like iodine, selenium, or vitamin B12. Iodine is crucial for thyroid function and metabolism regulation, while selenium supports thyroid hormone production and metabolism. Vitamin B12 is involved in energy metabolism and the synthesis of red blood cells. Insufficient levels of these nutrients can slow down metabolic processes, making it harder to lose weight and maintain energy levels. Ensuring adequate intake of iodine-rich foods like seaweed, selenium-containing foods like Brazil nuts, and vitamin B12 sources like meat or dairy, or considering supplementation, may help support a healthy metabolism and facilitate weight management efforts. 19. Cravings. Intense cravings for sweets or salty snacks may indicate nutrient deficiencies or hormonal imbalances. Cravings for sweets may suggest a lack of energy due to insufficient intake of carbohydrates or inadequate glucose regulation, possibly linked to imbalanced insulin levels. Cravings for salty snacks could indicate electrolyte imbalances, particularly sodium or potassium. Hormonal fluctuations, such as those occurring during menstruation or pregnancy, can also trigger cravings. Addressing nutrient deficiencies through balanced meals, managing stress levels, and ensuring hormonal balance through lifestyle adjustments may help alleviate cravings and promote overall well-being. 20. Thinning eyebrows. Thinning eyebrows may indicate deficiencies in vital nutrients like biotin, vitamin D, or iron. Biotin, known as the hair growth vitamin, plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy hair follicles, including those in the eyebrows. Vitamin D supports hair follicle cycling and may prevent hair loss. Iron deficiency can disrupt the hair growth cycle, leading to thinning eyebrows. Insufficient levels of these nutrients can impair eyebrow growth and density. Ensuring adequate intake of biotin-rich foods, vitamin D fortified foods, and iron-containing foods, or considering supplementation may help promote eyebrow health and prevent further thinning. 21. Tingling sensations. Tingling or numbness in the hands, feet, or extremities may signal deficiencies in crucial nutrients like vitamin B12, B6, or folate. Vitamin B12 is essential for nerve health and myelin sheath formation, while vitamin B6 supports nerve function and neurotransmitter synthesis. Folate plays a role in nerve tissue repair and regeneration. Insufficient levels of these nutrients can impair nerve function, leading to tingling sensations or numbness. Ensuring adequate intake of vitamin B12-rich foods like meat or dairy, vitamin B6-containing foods like poultry or bananas, and folate-rich foods like leafy greens or legumes, or considering supplementation may help alleviate symptoms and support nerve health. 22. Poor sleep quality. Poor sleep quality, characterized by difficulty falling asleep, staying asleep, or waking up tired, could be linked to deficiencies in vital nutrients like magnesium, melatonin, or certain amino acids. Magnesium plays a role in regulating neurotransmitters that promote sleep, while melatonin is the hormone that regulates the sleep-wake cycle. Amino acids like tryptophan are precursors to neurotransmitters involved in sleep regulation. Insufficient levels of these nutrients can disrupt sleep patterns and lead to poor sleep quality. Ensuring adequate intake of magnesium-rich foods like nuts and seeds, melatonin-containing foods like tart cherries, and amino acid sources like poultry or dairy, or considering supplementation, may help improve sleep quality and promote restful sleep. 23. Hormonal imbalances. Irregular menstrual cycles, fertility issues, or hormonal imbalances may stem from inadequate intake of essential nutrients like vitamins D, E, or B complex vitamins. Vitamin D plays a role in hormone regulation and may affect menstrual regularity and fertility. Vitamin E is involved in reproductive health and may support hormone balance. B complex vitamins, including B6 and B12, play roles in hormone synthesis and metabolism. Insufficient levels of these nutrients can disrupt hormone production and function, leading to menstrual irregularities or fertility issues. Ensuring adequate intake of vitamin D through sunlight exposure or supplementation, vitamin E from sources like nuts and seeds, and B-complex vitamins from a varied diet or supplementation may help support hormonal balance and reproductive health.